PTV Hub is your all-in-one cloud-based solution that integrates powerful online functionality with cloud-enabled desktop licenses of PTV vZoom, Visum, Viswalk, and Vistro. Efficiently manage your desktop licenses, easily organize projects, share models and results, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Track model revisions, simulate parallel scenarios using the cloud, and create interactive dashboards to share your insights. Simplify your workflow and boost productivity with PTV Hub. PTV Hub enables anyone in your organization to access your subscription content and PTV desktop licenses. Connect, share models, results, and dashboards, and collaborate directly with your team, external stakeholders, and the public. Best of all, PTV Hub combines all this functionality into one convenient subscription and billing package. Merge your favorite PTV transport planning and traffic engineering software and the power of the cloud into one seamless platform. We're excited that you are interested in PTV Hub. Learn more about PTV Hub's magnificent functionality next.